everybody, this is Jada, or Lil tnog, and today I will be sharing with you, tnog will be sharing with you guys how to keep pests away from your vegetables. Now let's get on with the video.
Good morning, family. This is Linda. This is my brassicas. Yeah, this is Swiss chard. Now, this plant you're looking at here is a Dollar Tree Swiss chard. Dollar Tree? Yeah, and this is a brassica. I have my cups. I have many cups out here in this bed with them. But that Dollar Tree Swiss chard is gorgeous. And every time I look at her, I think of Analytic Gardener, because even though I have planted these seeds before, but she just made me remember to plant them again. Thank you, baby. I thank you. So this is my bucket of brassicas here, but today I wanted to talk to you all about how to prevent a lot of bugs from being on your plants, of course. And if you've been here with me, then you know it is garlic, leeks, it is onions in many of my beds. For my tomatoes, I plant dill in the beds with my tomatoes. Now, I know dill can get a little big, but I do have a space for her, because dill will not only help with bad bugs, but she will also help with tomato hornworms. Now listen, nothing will stop insects entirely, not unless you go out and buy you some chemical. But growing dill, marigolds, put them in a container close to your tomatoes. That will also help with bad bugs. And of course, I plant my onion, garlic, and leeks in the beds with most of my vegetables. Matter of fact, all of them, really. Yeah. And the onion, garlic, and leeks, all they do is they help prevent insects, because insects do not like the smell. And then at the end of the season, you get to do this. Yeah, I'm harvesting leeks and onions from my beds, because now they are going to go in. I'm going to clean them up really good. I'm going to chop them up and put them in a freezer bag for me to cook with my daily meals. And that is one of the great things I love, is that this onion, garlic, leeks, no baby, I will not have to go to the produce department for this. Not at all, y'all. Not at all. So now I am also cleaning this little bed. I'm going to plant a lot of dill, celeriac, some other vegetables I'm going to put in this bed, and even a couple of peppers also. I'm not going to take out my Swiss chard. I do have other brassicas in this bed, and I'm going to let them grow, and I'm going to be eating on them. Yes. So the more you eat on them, the more they continuously to grow, of course, right? But I'm going to clean this little bit up really well, and I'm going to drop a lot of seeds in it. I'm also taking the roots off of my onions, and I'm going to just replant them back into the bed. I would like to share this with many of you that lives in my area. So this is for the ones that live in my area. This onion, these are green onions. I started from one bulb. That is one bulb you're looking at. One bulb. And it makes about 20 to 25 green onions. You see that? Now, I don't know the variety of it over there at Rosie's. That's where I purchased it from. They sell them about $1 or between $1 and $2 a pound. You buy them loose. When you walk in, there is a box there, and it's full of these little onion bulbs. And one bulb, it makes all of these green onions. So for those that is in my area, please go check out Rosie's. If you think this is something that can help you and your family, check it out, because one bulb and you get about 20 to 25 green onions. I love it, y'all. So I have some super juice in here, and wait, let me get this thing nice and soft, and I'm gonna put water to dilute it, because it is potent, y'all. This stuff is strong. So I'm going to just dilute it. Oh, baby, the breeze over here. The breeze. All right. Okay, that's enough. There we go. So that's that. All right, so now I'm gonna just put just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right. Now I'm gonna give this to my olive tree is 1, and my pomegranate, and maybe a little bit to the persimmon, because they working hard, baby. So I'm gonna give them a little bit. There we go. So I'm all finished giving everybody some super juice in 511. My bucket is empty. And I gave some to most of the trees that is in containers, and some that's in the ground also. I just gave them a little cup full. Everybody got a little bit. Yesterday I told Ben I needed him to cut a limb off this elderberry tree, and right there he did it. He did it yesterday. I wasn't out here with him, but he did it, because that limb was covering the LSU gold fig, and that is the LSU gold tree right there, and I needed that limb off, and he took it off. Thank you, Ben. So everything is looking great. Everything is doing fine, and I guess right now it's about 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna go in. Everybody is watered and fertilized, and now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna get me something to eat, because I'm hungry. I need my energy. But let me share this before I go. I want, I'm trying to get 10 lemon balms and 10 mints. Y'all made me miss my count. That's all right, though. Yeah, baby, that's mint. I'm gonna go in and make some tea for tonight. Yeah. Wow, look at her leaves, y'all. They are so big. Yeah. That's the Dollar Tree one, but this baby here, oh my goodness. This is botanical interest, that's what this is. But look at them. Those leaves are amazing. Yup. Beautiful. So this is my mint. It's peppermint, it's lemon balm, and chocolate mint. There it is. It's so good, family. All right, guys. This is good stuff, y'all. No cold drinks today. No cold drinks today. This is my little rose bush, and she is in the garden. And look at her. So it was a gift from my grandson's wife, Charmaine. She gave it to me maybe about 2 or 3 years ago. It was just a little thing. She gave me 2, but one did not want to live. So this one, she said, yeah, I want to live. And this is what she's doing, y'all. This is what she's doing. She's looking real pretty and putting off a lot of roses. My grandson makes rose water for his dreadlocks, and so this season he's gonna be able to use the roses from his wife. So cool. Yeah. All right, guys.